Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to Online Business Entrepreneur. In this video, we are gonna be talking about how to make $6,668.94 over and over again. This is, I think, you see, everybody can easily make money with this program, and I'm going to talk about what this program and how to make money with this program. And you search around the internet how to make money, but you didn't make even a single dollar. But this video is helping to make a first dollar on internet. This is also easiest and most common and most enjoyable way to make money. Okay, let's dive into this video. This website is called Shutterstock. You probably heard of this website. This website is called Shutterstock. This website is based on put your picture in this website and wait for download and get paid. Or you also create a vector and get paid. This website is the most easiest website, and most people love to work with this website. Easily take a picture and put it together and make money. This website also have a referral program. You can refer your friends or family or businessman to get paid on this, but this website is mainly focused on stock image, photos and videos. How this website works? This website is based on stock free image field, Shutterstock. Many of business owners or entrepreneurs searching around the internet for pictures, stock free pictures, and they will find Shutterstock stock free picture, and you will come here to put your own image to make good as money as you can. This is the easiest way, guys. Like for example, you eat a dinner, take a picture of dinner plate and put it on Shutterstock. That will also make a dinner. This like a passive income. You eat your dinner and your dinner make money. That sounds good, yeah? Yes, absolutely good, guys. This is easiest way to make money. Or you can take a good picture and also put it together. Or you can download Instagram pictures like travel or vector image and put it here. Sale content. This website contains many sale content contributed dashboard. You see, this is the dashboard look like, guys. You upload image, click this button and you can see your analytics and create your set and upload content. And I yearly talk about it as referral program. Invite fellow artists, earn 0.04 on image and 10% video when new artists sign up with your link and their work is downloaded. If someone you referred, that guy get download some of short image, you get paid, and you also get 200% $200 with 20% of buyer guarantee. This is the dashboard look like. This is your referral code, guys. This is your referral code. You copy this referral code and paste it anywhere around the world, and you can anything you can do this Shutterstock website. This is easy website and make good amount of money. I told you earlier guys, go to Instagram and searching the image like travel or something. Go to Instagram. Very same guys. Go to Instagram, search travel. Search travel and you get good travel hashtag and you copy this image, download this image. I think this is a loyal free image. Download this image and upload on into stock. Do it every day, be consistent on this website. Many more photos on here with loyalty free. Download these photos and put it on Shutterstock. Make good amount of money. I think it's the easiest way. In my channel I upload only easiest way, not work hard or like a programming or anything else. Easily work hard, work small, not work hard guys. Easily download this image and upload to Shutterstock and get paid. Is this easiest way? Just two-step process. Download and upload, download and upload. Easiest way on this internet. And do you know Shutterstock is the legitimate website? It's been here about 2 years or decade, I don't know guys, but it's a legitimate company to make money online. Do you see explore 30 million royalty free image clips, music track. You also upload a music track guys, it's a good one. Some artists are waiting for appreciation. Upload a music track, get paid. It's easy pay much. But this website is probably based on a stock free image. If you have stock free image, get upload and get paid. Easiest way to make money online. Or go to Instagram and type some hashtag and download some image like this and upload on Shutterstock. It's lot easier than anything else guys. Make this happen and make good amount of money. If you make good amount of money, I'll be happy because I want to make money online. This channel about make money online, help peoples and to achieve their goals, to make money online, to freedom or life. And then next you travel in this place with your partner or girlfriend. You take a picture, your own picture, and upload Shutterstock too. This is my aim, to make us your rich and travel around the world and take your picture, enjoy your life. This is the only one life God gives. Make money. Money is the important guys. All we know, money is important. Make good amount of money with Shutterstock and Instagram. This is the easiest. You see the camel. Download this camel image and upload. As I earlier told guys, easiest way to make money online, only come in my channel, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this video. Make money. I love you guys. See you.